Have you ever had a hard time determining which type of mask to use for a given project? Gotten confused on how to use the various types of masks in Photoshop? Have you ever wondered where you can see the actual mask you created? How the various types of Photoshop masks are related? And how to easily modify Photoshop masks? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then this training was designed with you in mind. This module is part 2 of a multi-part series on Photoshop Essentials Made Easy. For advanced Photoshop users, have you ever thought you were proficient in Photoshop and then saw another YouTube video and realized that you have a lot more to learn? Or for beginner Photoshop users, have you ever wasted a lot of time watching outdated YouTube videos that was long and drawn out? I respect your time. So this is a high impact training with many visual effects designed not to waste your time with a lot of fluff, but instead it will give you the real stuff that is needed to learn about masks in a fast but fun-filled way. Unlike many other training videos which simply demonstrates an application, sometimes with a talking head, in this advanced training, not only will you be able to see what goes on in front of the scene, but I also pull back the curtain so that you can actually see what goes on behind the scene to understand the various mask effects. That was wow. Spell it backwards. Wow. And I also add a little bit of humor to make the learning process a fun-filled and rewarding experience with many promising results. For many users, masking is a mystery. In this training module, I will unmask the mystery of the mask. Notice I said mask singular and not mask plural. The reason for this statement is because all masks, regardless of their type, all do basically the same three functions. They show, hide, or protect what they are masking. However, knowing what they show, hide, or protect is one of the keys to unlocking the mystery of the mask. For example, you will discover that some masks will show, hide, or protect selections from an alpha channel or a quick mask, pixels from bitmap images, filters from filters effects, and even properties from adjustment layers. For each mask type, these 5 questions will be addressed. How is it created? Where can it be seen? How is it modified? What is the result of modifying it? And how is it disabled, deleted, or removed? If you master these concepts, You're only limited by your imagination and what you can do with greater ease and without resorting to other resources to accomplish any task in Photoshop. You will also become more efficient and more creative in the process. In closing, you can also save yourself a lot of money by not having to buy expensive Photoshop plugins to create some of these masking effects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos like this one. Click the link below for a free copy of my ebook. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And remember the rap, the more you learn, the more you may earn.